do a vodka martini. One of the things that I've found over the years, the customer preference that has evolved the way I make a vodka martini, because like we said earlier, with the gin martini, it's 2 ounces of gin, 1 ounce of vermouth. With vodka, I'm gonna do Tito's because I like Tito's better. Typically with vodka, people want less vermouth, more vodka. That's what everybody always wants. Less mixer, more alcohol. But less vermouth doesn't always mean more vodka. It just means that you make the drink without vermouth. So I usually do, 2.5 for a martini. 2.5 ounces over ice. It's a vodka martini, so we shake the shit out of it because you want it to be cold. I didn't bring my strainer. All right.
I have one.
That's all right. We're good. We're good. We're doing it this way. Fancy like. And the crux. So there's also superstition around the amount of olives you use. It's always an odd number. Even number is bad luck because the bars are full of weird ass superstitions. So usually go 1 or 3 olives, never 2. Cheers.
I like to go back.
Now we're just doing a simple vodka soda. These rubbery tongues do not like the ice.
Try and get some ice.
It's alright. I got the patience.
So you could reach the
Alright.
can again.
I could use my hands because really, this is just.
That was fucking brilliant.
This, I'm not serving this to anyone that's gonna care. Right?
Oh my god, you used your fingers? That's so gross.
Vodka soda.
So unprofessional.
There you go. There's your 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Hold on.
Yeah.
And then brought my own soda because I make soda at home.
You know what? I'd still have someone scoop with their hand over digging the glass. In the
Oh,
ice.
dude, do not ever dig a
Yeah.
glass in the ice. Right?
My biggest pet peeve.
That's one of mine too. Every once in a while someone does it, and then I yell at them, and then they get mad at me.
I broke a glass yesterday, muddling, and I don't know where the piece went, so I had to burn
Burn out the
another
well.
ice. And I hate it. I was so mad at myself.
Vodka soda.